It's been cold here in Minnesota. We had several days where we were barely at zero or just about there or below. And we're going to continue to have cold over the coming days. And we're seeing that demand for natural gas, not just here in Minnesota, but throughout most of the country due to cold, not just here in the Midwest and Minnesota, but a lot of places, we're seeing that demand increase. And with that demand increase, that can put some pressure on natural gas prices. And so we want to make sure that customers have information on ways that they can save energy to limit the impact of those on their bill. Heating costs represent about 50% of your total energy bill during the winter. And so we want to take every step that we can take to help you save money, conserve energy, and make a difference on how much you're spending every month. So one of the easiest things you can do at home, lower your thermostat. So if you lower it to about 65 degrees when you're at home, maybe put a couple layers on as well, and then lower it an additional 5 degrees when you're asleep or away from your home. That can really work to limit the impact of those higher natural gas prices on your bill. And with costs increasing on the natural gas side right now, another thing that you can do in addition to lowering your thermostat is lower the temperature on your water heater. So make sure it's about 120 degrees. And then limit your hot water use. When it's sunny out, open your blinds. When it's not sunny, close your blinds. That'll help keep the warmth inside. One of the biggest culprits of losing heat right now is having air coming into your house from the outside. So check your windows, check your doors. If you feel a draft around them, use caulk or weather stripping to help seal some of those. And if you don't have the ability to go out right now and do anything, one of the things I do at home all the time is I roll up towels or blankets and put them against the bottom of my doorways. And that really helps prevent some of that cold air from coming in. If you have a ceiling fan, they're not just for summer. You can use them in winter as well. So set it to run clockwise and slowly, and that'll bring some of the warm air down from your ceiling levels down to your living levels. Great way to make you feel more comfortable at home. At CenterPoint Energy, we have tips, tools, and programs to help customers manage their energy bill and save energy. So right now in Minnesota, we have something called the cold weather rule. So from October 1st through April 30th, customers have additional rights that protect them against utility disconnections. So the first thing that you need to do if you're facing financial hardship, give your utility, in our case, give CenterPoint a call. We can work with you to figure out a payment plan or a payment arrangement that works within the confines of your budget. In addition to payment arrangements, we can also help refer you to other agency resources that may be available. We have lots of great resources on ways to save energy, manage your bill, and get some help if you need it. Visit centerpointenergy.com/ready for winter.